Okay, so the plan for our vlog today is we've got Sachin over there, so you'll see him in a bit. But yeah, so Sach is really good at photography. If you want to see some of his photos, you'll see some popping up now. And we are kind of gonna vlog and add photos and kind of see where Sach's creative eye takes us. And then we'll kind of spice things up, so it should be quite cool, and I'm quite excited to see the final outcome. Away. So we got Sach still taking photos there. Let's look, he's on point. Going to the swag mobile and make the mission. So yeah, Kamal's parking in people's driveways. Yeah, I don't know where we are.
Illegal.
Yeah, we don't know which road we're on.
Sorry, number 9.
Basically, found a really dope spot. Found a dope spot to do some quick portraits, and then we're just gonna move on to our mission from there, and then see where we go to. These folks are just slamming the door. But anyways, let's get it going. Some portraits. Yeah, enjoy the B-roll.
Find another reason to leave, but we sit at home all alone. Hoping one day I'll never be known, cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop. Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls, trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.
Bro, listen, all I'm saying is I'm just grateful to have creative people around me, you know, taking good photos.
Too pity you don't have Instagram though.
Hey dog,
it should be popping dog.
At the Taj Mahal, just right over here, just follow. At the Taj Mahal,
you done.
Yeah. You know when you're not handsome, like you need those people in your life. They just put you on. It's the plug.
It's the plug. You know he's actually crying now, I can feel it. Tubs dog! Tubs is crying now. What's the plan now? We are
going somewhere.
Somewhere. We'll see where we go.
We'll take.
At the moment we're at the Fordsburg market. We're just missioning around, getting photos, and yeah, we'll see if we can get some nice footage and some nice slow-mo, and then we out here.
Take a video of opening it, bro.
Do you want a video of it being opened?
Go.
I'm gonna eat one now.
Yeah,
Do you want a video of me eating one?
Do you wanna? Yeah, take a bite.
Why am I eating it in slow motion?
Okay, so we finished our donuts and decided that it would be sacrilegious to eat donuts in Faulkner. Is sacrilegious the word? Is sacrilegious the word? No? It wouldn't be right, man, to just eat donuts in Faulkner. So decided to come and get some pani puri and some samosas, and it's gonna be a good time.
This is the pani puri right over there. Samos, standard. I don't know what that is.
We're about to find out.
But we'll find out now. Sach is already diving in. And yeah.
It's a spicy one.
No, it's hot guys. Wow. Okay, so first the dip. I just see a floating head right now. Guys, like, guys, can you guys see this person? I just see a head because right now I just see
shoes and a head.
So we just had lunch with the famo, and we're gonna head to Valley View. We've also lost a bit of time by sunlight. As you guys can see, it's a bit dark there. But yeah, we're basically gonna push now, get some footage, and then yeah, that's the plan. So where are we, Kamal? Valley View in the east in Kensington, and guys, the view behind me is absolutely breathtaking. If I show you, like what even take a look at that. Yeah, that's just a sneak peek. But yeah, we are just gonna grab a few photos, get some cool shots for the vlog, and yeah, Sachi's gonna do some long exposure. Busy over there. Some long exposure shots as well. And then yeah, what's the plan afterwards? We're gonna watch the game. Belgium against England. Belgium against England's playing at the moment, so
it's never gonna come home.
we're gonna catch some of that. So yeah. So at the moment, guys, for me on the wide angle lens, and Oaks' thing is amazing. Like, it's honestly something different. If you look behind me, you can see basically everything that's just going on there. Like, it's an amazing shot, guys. So basically, Sach is doing his thing in the back there. I feel like I also haven't shot a vlog in such a long time, but yeah, it's good to be out filming, doing some stuff again. Sach, what you got going on there?
Failing at long exposures, but yes, it's very fun.
Failing? How come failing?
Joburg doesn't have a nice sunset. I think Pretoria has a better one.
Sometimes.
No, not all the time.
Sometimes. Maybe we just came on a bad day. But yeah, he's out there doing his thing. Okay. Woo! Cute.
To hurt your feelings and your face.
You're a potato. And I don't appreciate getting hit in the face. Okay.
But you're my brother.
Okay, last take. It's not funny anymore. Let's go home.
It's not fun.
Let's go home.
People are gonna get hurt. And then it won't be a funny soapy. It's gonna be painful. I'm looking at YouTube, okay?
We'll see what happens with the next bit of the vlog. We are basically just trying to get some cool shots out here. It's also getting dark. We're losing light, but yeah. Okay, so we just arrived at the German pub. We're gonna watch some of the game, and then the door's still open.
The nicest girl I've ever seen.
You ending the vlog, yeah?
Speak. Kamal's got a bit of stage fright.
It's not the first time.
All he wanted to say was that thank you for watching. This is the end of our cold day in Joburg. And it's been a really great day. Thank you for watching. And yeah.
Nicest girl I've ever met.
Is there anything else you want to say? It's coming in my ear.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
He says Cody's hat has looked weird the whole day.
I don't know. Yeah, well, this is a cool photo of the Cody.
Tutorials are being popped off here, you know. They're just like
You guys are gonna have to pay for them.
yeah, so the online lessons will come on soon.
The
at
link
such
for
in
that will
DPN.